Professor Kancha Ilaiah, TSR Subramaniam. Professor Ilaiah, well-known Dalit activist and author, TSR Subramaniam has been Cabinet Secretary of India. Kumar Ketkar is a senior journalist. And Ami Yagnik is taking on Sambit Patra of the BJP, Congress versus BJP. I think Ami Yagnik, the Congress party, should say sorry tonight. And on behalf of the Congress party, you should perhaps say sorry tonight to all the viewers of the News Hour for dragging Bhagat Singh, Rajguru, Sukhdev into your petty politics. I mean, you have not given a Bharat Ratna for Bhagat Singh. 83 years have passed since he died in 1931. He's been the greatest inspiration for all of India and for Indian youth to take part in the freedom movement. I don't know why you did not ever consider in your 60 years when you were running the government to give a Bharat Ratna to Bhagat Singh, Rajguru and Sukhdev. But you rub the insult in by now dragging their names. When you hear this report that somebody else may be getting the Bharat Ratna, Ami Yagnik, instead of debating, perhaps it's better for you to say sorry tonight.
Arnav, there was just a suggestion that if the criteria is going to be for consideration for a freedom fighter, there are many freedom fighters, and I think
what did you do? You have just completed 10 years in power. Why did you use Bhagat Singh? Why did you insult Bhagat? No, why did you explain to me?
Out of so many freedom fighters, and so it was a suggestion that what is that criteria? That
so what was the criteria? Let me ask you with which. No, what was the criteria? What was the criteria you used to deny him an award? What was the criteria that you used to deny Rajguru an award? What was the criteria? Let me ask you. The Lal Bal Pal trio was led by Lala Lajpat Rai. I want to ask you, what is the criteria with which you denied Lala Lajpat Rai a Bharat Ratna?
Arnav, I think the way you are taking this debate...
No, what was the criteria that you... No, because you have used these people.
You are asking a question, let me give you the answer.
No, you have used these people.
The way the debate is going, I think we are completely lowering the esteem of the Bharat Ratna.
You use Rash Bihari Bose, you use Lala Lajpat Rai. Why did you use them yesterday? Why did you use them?
You are bringing up all these names whom we revere, whom we take the names with utmost reverence.
Why?
And they are themselves Bharat Ratnas in themselves.
But
and today you are bringing the discussion to such a level.
You have reduced the discussion to this. You have reduced the discussion to this.
No, we are reducing because
you have reduced the discussion
today the list is not out. The government has not shortlisted or long-listed any names. And the speculation and the embarrassment you are causing by taking up these names is definitely not befitting any one of us.
Miss Ami Yagnik, I began the news by saying this, that all you politicians reduced it to politics. We didn't in the media. Okay? Gopal Krishna Gokhale was considered by Mahatma Gandhi to be his guru, his mentor. It's 99 years since he died in 1915. You didn't think of giving him the Bharat Ratna posthumously, but now somebody mentions Vajpayee, somebody mentions Netaji, and you present your alternative. It's just politics for you, isn't it? You won't care, Ami Yagnik. No, you won't care who you insult, whose memory you insult, who you trample over, who you hurt, whose sentiments you hurt, and how selfish you look while you're doing all this. TSR Subramaniam, your views on it. I'll open up to the BJP after that.
1 minute, Arnav, you have posed a question to me.
TSR Subramaniam first to counter to this. It has been reduced to a farce.
The language is so acerbic today on the debate.
Now
do not use this language for the Bharat Ratna awards, please.
Ma'am, what?
Let us be completely revered for
what have you done to the Bharat Ratna? What have you done to it?
We have not done anything. We have not done anything. You are taking the topic to such a level that we are losing the complete esteem of this particular highest civilian award.
Well, did you give a Bharat Ratna to Subhash Chandra Bose?
This is not the way. This is not the way. Speculation. You are causing embarrassment to several people.
I may be causing embarrassment to the Congress party.
These kind of names. We may have it in a proper way. The debate has to go in a very dignified manner.
I am asking you today. You won't like my question. No, one second.
We do not have the list. We do not have to talk of this list in such a way.
Miss Ami Yagnik, I don't mince my words. And I can request the News Hour viewers
We know you don't.
No, yeah, I'm thankful I don't. Especially with politicians, I really don't. But I'd say this today with the hashtag Bharat Ratna Rush. I ask a simple question. I have nothing against anyone. But this country gave a Bharat Ratna to Gulzari Lal Nanda, who served as acting Prime Minister twice after the deaths of Jawaharlal Nehru and Lal Bahadur Shastri, for his service to the country, which amounted to a princely sum of 28 days of acting Prime Ministership. We gave him a Bharat Ratna. And we didn't give Netaji a Bharat Ratna, and now we want to create this race. One of those upset is TSR Subramaniam. Mr. Subramaniam, why are you upset?
Arnab, if there is one subject, one item which should not be politicized, it is this. This we are now revering. We have had this has been a blessed country. We have had a very large number of heroes. Many have been recognized. In fact, there are many unsung heroes all over the place. So it is the prerogative of the government of the day to choose 1, 2 or 3 every year to remember them with great reverence. It does not mean that those who are not recognized are not worthy of it, number one. Number two, like in posts that are occupied, some people occupy chairs, some people adorn chairs. It's very similar also here, that some people adorn the honor itself and some people are honored. This is an entire matter of prerogative and discretion. Look at the procedure. Except for the Bharat Ratna, for the others, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, there's a committee chaired by the Cabinet Secretary, but that committee is not final. Government have previously added, subtracted, done anything. But for Bharat Ratna, hitherto, it has emerged exclusively from the Prime Minister of the day, and this is something we cannot question. 60 years, 70 years, we have had different governments. They all had, I could question many. You mentioned Gulzari Lal Nanda. I could say that Dravid and Kapil Dev were as important to Indian cricket as Tendulkar. As a Carnatic music fan, I know M.S. Subbulakshmi probably was not the best exponent, but this is a national honor. The moment it is given, we accept it. This is not to be questioned. This is not to be debated at all. I think that this debate should stop now. By definition, what is done is correct. In this particular matter, if we are not doing that, we are not criticizing the government. We are not criticizing party. We are looking foolish. We are criticizing ourselves. I think the best is to stop the debate. Wait for the government to decide.
Stop the debate. The one person who can stop the debate. Sir, the one person who can stop the debate is the BJP. Is it interested in stopping the debate? No. Because all it wants to do is extract as much mileage of it as possible. All the BJP needs to say is that either the story is correct or the story is incorrect. It will do neither. It is simply Mr. Subramaniam interested in floating a trial balloon. I don't know. I just have one question. Is conferring the Bharat Ratna a state secret? What explains the silence? Or whether or not these names are doing the rounds are in contention for the country's highest civilian award? You want to create a divide even over the Bharat Ratna? This is clear and apparent, Sambit Patra. I can ask the questions to the Congress, but you have lost the moral right to.
Arnab, why should the government fall into the trap laid down by the media? And I should applaud the kind of movement this government has shown. You have laid a trap. Today is a day when you have no sources in the government. Today is a day when you do not have any kind of unauthorized leaks from the government. In the yesteryears,
why don't you say the story is
you
wrong?
had such kind of leaks.
Why don't you say the story is wrong?
You lived on that. You thrived on that. Today, when any such thing is not existing, why are you trying to lay a trap? An announcement has not been made. A kind
why don't you
trap
deny?
has been laid by the media.
Why don't you deny?
And you want me to debate
why don't you deny? That's exactly what you. That's what.
Silence.
No. Why don't you deny?
Break its silence on
why
issues
don't you deny it? Are you so ignorant? Don't you know? Are you a picture of ignorance? Sir, 1 minute. Just a minute.
The media,
Mr. Sambit Patra. Mr. Sambit Patra.
And they wish the government to fall in the trap.
Sambit Patra.
The Congress has fallen into the well.
Mr. Sambit Patra
has the issue. And I beautifully can say that the Bharatiya Janata Party has not fallen into the trap.
It is so
politicization of Bharat Ratna, the Bharatiya Janata Party and this government did not fall into the trap laid by the media.
It is so sad.
Why so sad?
It is so sad,
show me the
Mr. Sambit Patra. If you allow me to complete.
Every day you show papers to the people. Show me the paper. Show the country the paper. The nation wants to know where the list is.
Sambit, I don't want to expose your ignorance in the way that I will now be forced to.
No, please,
but at the same time, Mr. Sambit Patra, ignorance also has its limits. Tonight, I'm very sorry to say this, that your abject and complete ignorance has been exposed by yourself on yourself. Given that you are considering the conferring the Bharat Ratna in the story, 1 minute, Mr. Sambit Patra, given that you are considering, if you are not,
where is that paper of yours?
Mr. Sambit,
where has the government
Mr.
come
Sambit
out with the
Patra,
notice? Why are we?
Mr. Sambit Patra, the last person who kept repeating himself while speaking to me was Suresh Kalmadi. I would request you to resist that, that temptation that when Suresh Kalmadi was on the back foot, he kept repeating himself. You're doing exactly that tonight. I just want you to, this is a simple question put by everybody to you. If this story is incorrect, if what appeared in the Indian Express yesterday is incorrect, and if the whole country is going after a factually wrong story, all you need to do is that say the story is completely speculative. You don't stand there while Mamata Banerjee is demanding Bharat Ratna for someone, or somebody, Naveen Patnaik is demanding Bharat Ratna for someone, or outside gate number 4 of Parliament, Mayawati is demanding Bharat Ratna for someone, or somebody else, or in Assam, Tarun Gogoi started demanding the Bharat Ratna for Bhupen Hazarika. You want to further insult the people by neither confirming nor denying your story. And you think that by your silence, Mr. Sambit Patra, and then saying the story is wrong, that people won't see through this, but they will.
No one is
because
silent,
this is nothing but a trial balloon.
On the news hour, so how do I speak and convince
Kumar
you?
Ketkar, your
Allow
thoughts.
me to speak
Kumar
and convince
Ketkar, your
you.
thoughts. Be direct. I know you know something. It may take the attention away from. It may. I think. In fact, one of the views is
the speculations.
In fact, one of the views, Mr. Patra.
Mr. Patra, come and break the speculations.
Mr. Patra,
is this what the Prime Minister's duty left now?
Mr. Patra, I'll tell you one thing. Even in terms of political arrogance, there's usually a boiling point. And I've often seen that when certain politicians cross that boiling point, they don't realize, but they evaporate themselves. I would second time today
or no, rather I would say the media should
I would request you for a second time tonight.
There is an unwritten arrogance
I would for the second time tonight, Mr. Sambit Patra, request you.
You are trying to bring down names. You are trying to play with them.
Mr. Sambit Patra, I would request you as a debutant.
Let's discuss and debate this topic when the names are announced. Yes, please go on.
Mr. Patra, as a debutant and young spokespersons for your party, I would request you in your responses on the news hour tonight to not become self-combustible. Sometimes this temptation may be there, but if you become self-combustible, then you will evaporate. I would like to get Kumar Ketkar into the debate, please, if you allow him. Kumar Ketkar, what's going on? This whole Bharat Ratna rush.
Arnab, the only person who tried to depoliticize Padma and Bharat Ratna awards was Morarji Desai in 1977. He stopped all the awards and they did not start again for a few years. So it is not a question of depolitization or politicization of Bharat Ratna and Padma awards was not discussed before. In 77 it was stopped. And the second correction is Subhash Chandra Bose was chosen for Bharat Ratna in 1992 in Narasimha Rao government, but then there were objections that Subhash Chandra Bose is actually alive or there is no proof that he is dead, and therefore that went on a shelf. So it is not correct to say that Bharat Ratna has been always there as if since independence. It did not. Another point, Frontier Gandhi, Khan Abdul Ghaffar Khan, did not get Bharat Ratna till almost 1969. Till almost 1969, he did not get the award. Similarly, Jaiprakash Narayan did not get the Bharat Ratna almost till 1998. So it is not as if everybody was playing politics with Bharat Ratna. Everybody was playing politics with Padma Awards, and that is why Morarji had stopped. And I entirely agree with Morarji Desai on that, though I disagree on many other subjects with him. But the main question is, why suddenly this controversy erupted is not a media conspiracy. For Congress to suddenly raise Bhagat Singh and Rajguru and Sukhdev is sheer opportunism, as you very correctly said. It is simple political opportunism. They were in power for such a long time. If they thought that Bhagat Singh should be given, then they would have given. They were not given. They did not give, as I said, to Frontier Gandhi. So you are 100% correct to say that Congress has not behaved decently, morally and correctly.
They have not. And Ami Yagnik, you must admit it, both of you are making serious mistakes and everybody sees through it. The BJP for floating this trial balloon and the Congress. The Congress for the most self-congratulatory form of political rewarding. I mean, Prime Ministers of the Congress party in self-congratulatory gestures awarded themselves the Bharat Ratna when they were still sitting on the Prime Minister's post. Indira Gandhi gave herself the Bharat Ratna.
And another point is,
Jawaharlal Nehru gave himself the Bharat Ratna
another point is,
in
it is not
1971
only-
and 1955, but they didn't give.
Arnab.
No, once they did not give. Till 1991, they did not give. Till 40 years after his death, they did not give Sardar Patel the Bharat Ratna. And that's one of those blots, Ami Yagnik, tonight, which you can't
Arnab.
wipe out. And Kancha Ilaiah feels that
Arnab,
this entire issue has been politicized. Let's get him in, then we'll open it up for debate, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, open it up. But Kancha Ilaiah feels there's a political twist.
But
to all
Arnab,
of this.
it is-
Kancha Ilaiah, why do you think so?
Arnav,
Well,
Arnav, I earlier said.
Arunab, can I come
Yes,
in?
yes, go ahead.
Arunab, see, in the names that are being floated, there are two clear, politically motivated, leaked out names. One is Subhash Chandra Bose's name, which the family openly saying in
Absolutely.
on every media that we will not take this, and he is not the one who is equivalent to this award at all. He is far more bigger than this award. Therefore, this award we don't want. I don't know why BJP is again and again bringing his name.
And why the BJP, if it is sincere, cannot deny
name
it?
has been brought. Mr. Kancha Ilaiah, how
Yeah,
are you
the
confirmed? Who
second
confirmed
thing
you
is-
the name? Who confirmed you the name?
Mr.
Kancha
Let him
Ilaiah?
come. Sir, have you denied
Wait a
it?
minute.
Have you denied it? Have you denied it? Has the BJP denied
No,
it?
when the news is not on
Has the
table,
BJP
there is
denied
no
it?
question of accepting
Has
or
the
denying
BJP
it.
denied it?
No, why should BJP
That's why we
deny or
call it a
accept
trial balloon.
Arnab,
That's
you
why
are
we call it a
journalist.
trial
Tell
balloon.
me,
Let
when the
Kancha
news
Ilaiah
is not
complete.
on the table,
Let Kancha
where is the
Ilaiah
question
complete.
of accepting
Let
or
Kancha
denying it?
Ilaiah complete
Where
now,
is the question
Sambit
of accepting
Patra.
or denying it?
Let him complete
Now
now.
listen, Kancha Ilaiah.
Have you denied it?
Politicizing an issue on the national television and you are blaming the BJP
Let-
for politicizing it.
Vajpayee. No, you just wait. Are you going to tell us that you are not going to give Bharat Ratna to Vajpayee? Are you going to tell us today?
Mr. Kancha Ilaiah, can you tell me where you will be 3 days from today?
Mr. Sambit Patra, don't.
The government
No, no.
Mr.
That
Sambit
is
Patra,
not the
don't.
issue.
Mr. Sambit Patra, yesterday we have BJP. Yesterday
What
we
I'm
have.
saying is-
Yesterday we have. No, one second.
Yes,
Yesterday we have a lot of
Congress has
BJP leaders saying, how can you deny
a
a
blunder
Bharat
by
Ratna
giving it to
to
Prime
Atal Bihari
Minister.
Vajpayee?
Did
Congress
anyone
has
of the BJP
committed
leader
blunders
come
by
out with a
giving it
notice
to
or not?
Prime
Tell me.
Ministers.
No one came
I
out with that
don't agree
notice.
with Congress view. Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Rajiv Gandhi deserve, Bharat Ratnas. But you have criticized, your party has criticized when they were given Bharat Ratnas. Why are you putting Vajpayee's name on the plaque today?
We have demanded
in the
Bharat
list
Ratna
there
for
are only
Mr.
two
Atal Bihari
persons who
Vajpayee
deserve
way
it.
back from 2008. Mr. L.K. Advani wrote a
So you're
letter to
confirming
then
the-
UPA government.
You should be sure where you stand.
But you are demanding
Who said
it.
we are confirming?
You
Don't
have
put your
demanded,
words on
now
my
you are
mouth over
giving
here.
to yourself.
I am only saying that I stand for Atal Bihari Vajpayee. We all stand for Atal Bihari
Okay.
Vajpayee. If
Okay,
two
no, 1
prime
minute.
ministers can
Why?
award
In
themselves,
one minute.
that
Atal
case-
Bihari
in that
Vajpayee was the
case,
first
your
prime minister of this country
party
from a non-Congress
did not
background.
like
He came in
Congress
opposition to
giving
this
Jawaharlal
country.
Nehru,
He
Indira
deserves a
Gandhi
Bharat Ratna.
and Rajiv Gandhi, which is a wrong thing. Which is a wrong thing to give prime ministers what sacrifice a prime minister does. No, I can understand Indira Gandhi was killed and Rajiv was killed. That is a sacrifice of life, a different question. But in this case, only two names I can say deserve it. One is Kanshiram, the other one is Madan Mohan Malavya. In his own way, they did a social service, educational service. What was the definition of Bharat Ratna? Bharat Ratna definition was not politics, not politicians. Why are you doing this?
You see, what happens
BJP
is-
is interested in tribal
You know
question,
what happens is-
why not Birsa Munda?
What happens sometimes, Mr. Patra,
Let me
Mr.
remind you of
Patra,
the
1
fact
minute,
that
please
in
stop,
2011
please
it
stop
was
and please
amended.
listen. I'll also give you, Mr. Patra, please stop and please listen.
Poorest to the poor.
One second, I'll 1 second. Mr. Patra, please stop and please listen. And first of all, let me tell you this. If you are saying today that you feel that you are for a Bharat Ratna for Atal Bihari Vajpayee, you must
always were, not today
Yeah,
itself.
okay.
We always were.
Okay, then have you always been for a Bharat Ratna for Netaji?
He is much beyond the concept of Bharat Ratna.
And what about Bhagat Singh?
Bharat Ratna.
What about
for
Bhagat
Mahatma
Singh?
Gandhi, for Subhash Chandra
What
Bose,
about
they are-
Bhagat Singh?
No,
They
why
are all
not?
beyond
Why not
Bharat Ratna.
Birsa
They are
Munda?
personalities who have carved India for us. The Bharat in which we live today is because of such personalities, the name of which has not been taken very reverently today here in the debate. Because of Bhagat Singh, because of Mahatma Gandhi, because of Subhash Chandra Bose, because of people who are called terrorists in
Mr. Patra, Mr. Patra, I think one of the prerequisites. I think, Mr. Patra, please, I don't want to compete with you in how much you can raise your voice. But please understand this, that I do believe that it is an essential prerequisite for a person who comes on television and says, I represent a political party, to have an elementary knowledge of Indian history.
No. Every
And Mr. Patra, the question is this, please, and don't say this. It's a point he has raised, Kancha Elai. If Vajpayee can get a Bharat Ratna, why not Birsa Munda? It's a point that he has raised. Okay, he may not be.
So who is refusing?
Second point is, why don't you listen? I'm telling you, Mr. Patra, you must listen.
I'm telling you, Arnab, who is refusing that Birsa Munda is not a personality.
Mr. Patra,
Did BJP ever say that Birsa Munda is not an important person?
Mr. Patra, I don't want to, like the peels of an onion, peel away the ignorance of your argument on national television. But you should have known before you said that Mr. B.R. Ambedkar was awarded the Bharat Ratna. Again, the problem is, you don't listen. B.R. Ambedkar was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1990. Nobody said at that point of time that he had no role in shaping India. So take back that argument and swallow that argument along with your pride tonight. Sambit Patra. When I say that you must
B.R. Ambedkar should not have been awarded a Bharat Ratna during the
I have just told you that the same argument that you used in the context of Bhagat Singh or that in the context of Netaji, you can't use that argument in the context of Ambedkar in 1990. But I give up. I don't think you are in a mood to listen. Ami Agnik, simple question to you. In what view, in which way, Ami Agnik, we want to know, in which way has Gulzari Lal Nanda overshadowed Bhagat Singh as far as the Congress is concerned? Just explain this to me, please. I know that he did a great help to the Congress party when between 11 January 1966 and 24th January, for a period of 14 days, he agreed to become and agreed to relinquish the prime ministership. We want to know, and this is not to embarrass you. Everyone across India is watching. Now the Congress party spokesperson will explain to us in which way Gulzari Lal Nanda deserved the Bharat Ratna more than Bhagat Singh.
Arnav, first of all, the Bharat Ratna is an honor recommended by the Prime Minister to the President. It's the highest civilian honor for exceptional.
No, you have had
yeoman
Prime
service to
Ministers
the
who have
nation.
given themselves the Bharat Ratna. How did they miss out Bhagat Singh?
Either you let me complete the answer.
No, ma'am, you're on slippery ground.
Or you will have to complete it.
No, you're on slippery
So
ground. You're not answering my question.
Am I supposed to sit on the decision or the wisdom of the then Prime Minister who recommended the honor to the President?
Because all of you people are so self-congratulatory. All of you people are so self-congratulatory about the Bharat Ratna. I want to know, how did Gulzari Lal Nanda get the Bharat Ratna? Giri got the Bharat Ratna.
I think, Arnav, you are now bringing the debate to such a level.
I am not.
Bharat Ratna
I am not. You have reduced this award to such a level. You have reduced this award to such a level.
These are not the questions. We are questioning the wisdom of the decisions taken over the past several decades, and we may not forget all of them have immensely contributed towards keeping the democratic fiber of this country. We are sitting here because of the democracy that has been there, and we are the second largest democracy because of all these Bharat Ratna service to the nation.
I want to know from you. I want to know from you. I want to know from you. How did? No, since you now think that the Bharat Ratna is some kind of, and I get TSR Subramanian, since you now think you want to reel out names of all the people who should be given the Bharat Ratna, and because you now think that the Bharat Ratna is some kind of a wholesale prize distribution ceremony, where everybody who has not got an award since late should all be lined up and be given an award. I'm just asking you, I'm curious. You give political retainers of the Congress party, and I repeat the word, you give your Congress party political retainers the Bharat Ratna. But you forget Bhagat Singh and you dare pick up Bhagat Singh's name now. You want me to be subtle about it, indirect about it, Ami Yagnik? It hurts me. It hurts me as much as it hurts everyone. Kumar Ketkar is a counter question. So does TSR Subramaniam, but TSR Subramaniam comes in first. TSR Subramaniam, please. Mr. Subramaniam.
Arnab, there cannot be any political
Arnab, it is not just Arnab, it is not just politicization. Arnab, it is not just politicization, it is also Mandalization. Now it is Mandalization of Bharat Ratna and other Padma awards. DMK wants it to be given to Periyar. Nitish Kumar wants it to be given to Ram Manohar Lohia.
Yeah, that's
and
all.
All this is now getting into caste politics and religion politics. And now Savarkar also is in the list. So I think this depoliticization was necessary, and that was done by Morarji Desai. The point is, it is not only in politics that politics takes place, it is also in arts. When Ravi Shankar was given Bharat Ratna, there was hue and cry why Jasraj was denied. When Lata Mangeshkar was given Bharat Ratna, there was hue and cry why Kumar Gandharva was not given. So I think this kind of politics is not only in politics, it is also in the other arts and cultural field.
And they've insulted
so I think we have to depoliticize the entire award.
No. And they are also, I'll tell you, in the process, they have insulted so many other people. Kanchailaya puts his hand up there. I just want to go to TSR Subramaniam. Yes, TSR Subramaniam, please. And after that, Kanchailaya. By the way, I just want to know whether both the BJP and the Congress will accept how flawed their arguments are tonight.
Arnab,
I don't know whether they are thinking about it. Maybe they should. TSR Subramaniam. After that, Sambit Patra. Yes, please.
Arnab, firstly, people like Gandhi, Netaji, Gokhale, they belong to the whole nation. It is not any family matter. They transcend all these people, and this is number one. Number two, what we are discussing is not a matter of public opinion. It is not a matter of voting. It is not an enactment in parliament. This is a nation is revering its heroes. Only a small proportion of people who probably really deserve the Bharat Ratna award really get that. Lastly, this is not justiciable. This should not be a matter of debate. I agree entirely with you that perhaps earlier it has been politicized. Let us now wait and watch. Is it going to be on merits or not? We will form our judgment. But in whichever way it happens, we accept the verdict. And by definition, whoever gets it deserves it.
Absolutely, but do they? Have these governments, have these political parties been in a coma? Did they not know? When did they wake up to Amartya Sen? Ami Yagnik won't like it. Neither will Sambit Patra, but the fact is when these people like Amartya Sen and Mother Teresa got a Nobel Prize, only then Indian politicians woke up. And immediately the next year they gave them a Bharat Ratna.
But I'll tell you one thing, Arnab,
this is a fact
academic
of
note over
this
here.
Is a fact of history.
Yes,
learn history, Sambit Patra, learn history.
Right, but academic
Kanchailaya also coming to the debate.
I want to attach an academic note over here. As far as Amartya Sen is concerned, for the first time, the President of India made a recommendation to the Prime Minister, and the Prime Minister willingly accepted. Well, yes, he should get the Bharat Ratna, and Mr. Amartya Sen was awarded. That was a large-heartedness that Mr. Atal Bihari Vajpayee had shown.
Large-heartedness? No, please explain this.
No.
Either you explain it or you take it back.
No,
this is absolutely ridiculous.
I'll tell you.
No, I think it is ridiculous.
No, I do not mean any offense to anyone. All I wanted to say was...
I think it is ridiculous what you are saying tonight. I am really sorry. I am really sorry. You may or may not. No, I am really sorry. I really sorry. I will not take this kind. What do you mean? Large-heartedness
does not.
What do you mean large-heartedness?
Was not entitled for it.
You see,
it means that Amartya Sen was entitled for it.
What did you mean large-heartedness?
Listen to everyone.
Why did you say large-heartedness?
Prime Minister, you please do not.
Why did you say large-heartedness?
Don't try.
Whose large-heartedness? Whose large-heartedness?
Don't try to read it otherwise.
I am not reading it otherwise. There's only one way of reading it, Sambit Patra.
You should read the intention that I was saying.
What intention? 1998. You don't even know your facts. You don't know your history. 1998, he got the Nobel Memorial Prize in Economic Sciences. Please listen.
These awards.
Sambit Patra, I think you should take that back. You know, TSR Subramaniam.
You yourself
TSR Subramaniam and Sambit Patra.
Ministers anointed themselves a Bharat Ratna.
I am so shocked at what you're saying. I am so shocked at how you talk today. I am so absolutely appalled at how you speak. Kanchailaya. Tomorrow you will say, no, Kanchailaya is... But Kanchailaya responding to you now, Sambit Patra, be quiet please. Kanchailaya comes in. Kanchailaya.
Mr. Patra, just please listen. You know, why not political parties understand that what is the necessity of giving Bharat Ratna to those who served as prime ministers? I will accept and respect them if other countries award some big thing for them, for great governance, for great administration, but their own governments, your party has been demanding Bharat Ratna for your former Prime Minister, but it does not have the heart to
Can I come
demand a tribal leader who died in the jail
Can I
for
come in
the
over
sake
here
of
or not?
liberation of this country.
Sir, please.
That is the
Or no,
level
can I
of our
answer?
politics.
No, before you
And
answer.
I'm not saying Congress is
Mr. Kancha Ilaiah,
one
Mr.
second.
Kancha
But how
Ilaiah,
can
2 or
you
3
do
quick
this?
points.
No, why
Mr.
don't you?
Kancha Ilaiah,
Why don't you?
should
1 minute. 1 minute, Sambit
He should
Patra.
get the he should get
Sambit
the
Patra.
questions answer. Let me
Sambit
answer
Patra.
him.
Why don't you?
Yes.
Why don't you ask for a Bharat Ratna for Sam Manekshaw?
No, I'll ask for everyone.
No, one
Who has
second.
to-
No, one
who has
second.
told-
Why
no, who
don't
says
you?
that
He
they are
led
not
the
deserving?
country to its only
Did
military
anyone say
victory
they're
in
not deserving?
1971, which split Pakistan and created Bangladesh.
We all know the history.
So why
Arnab,
don't you
and
give a Bharat Ratna to him?
Who on the panel said that Birsa Munda was not deserving? Who said from the Bharatiya Janata Party
I'm saying
that
you so
Manekshaw
utterly
should not
politicize
be?
it. So
Has the
seriously
Bharatiya Janata
politicize
Party
it.
declared the
Yes.
list?
No, did
Has
you
the Bharatiya
demand,
Janata Party
Patra?
or the Congress, the NDA government declared the list? Why such a brouhaha over something which has not
No,
come
you
over at the
missed-
forefront?
you have just said something terrible.
Let me answer Kancha Ilaiah, or whether Mr. Bajpai should get a Bharat Ratna or not, as to why he should get it. First and
No,
foremost,
Mr.
Kancha
I think you should-
2011, there's
Ami
an
Agni.
amendment in Bharat Ratna bills. I mean, Bharat
Oh,
Ratna
please,
bills
don't hide
that
behind
any
that.
human endeavor can be awarded a Bharat Ratna.
You know-
Secondly,
you know,
Mr.
Mr.
Bajpai, for God's sake, he was the only Prime Minister of the country, the first
Mr.
Prime
Sambit
Minister of the
Patra.
country.
Mr.
after the
Sambit
Congress
Patra.
organization
Meant for
which
that.
Mr.
had a
Sambit
strict
Patra,
Congress
let me
background.
remind you.
He gave opposition to the
1
nation.
second, please, Mr. Patra. You know, brevity is the soul of wit.
Please
And sometimes the
don't
soul
do
of
that.
wisdom as well.
You have allowed Mr.
Thank you.
Kancha to question
No,
me.
1
I should
second. You can
answer
make
him.
the same point in a shorter way. You need to know, people like you need to know, government had announced, recognized Satyajit Ray also for the Bharat Ratna only after he got the Oscars. I mean, you've spared no one. And today you have the temerity and the courage to say what you just said about Amartya Sen getting the Bharat Ratna in 1999 because
No,
I
I did not
reminded
say
you.
anything.
Because
I
I
said
reminded
he is
you that
entitled.
Amartya Sen got the Nobel in 1998 and then we woke up.
He deserved.
I mean,
he deserved. We gave. Why
Mr.
are we debating on a personality and why are we debating on a person
Mr.
who
Patra,
deserved it?
I
The
think
only question. No,
Mr.
only
Patra, I
contention
think
over
I'll give
here
you
is
elementary
my
history
own-
lesson after the program.
No, please. I
Thank
have
you very
enough
much.
history lesson.
Ami
I don't
Agnik.
need any history lesson from you.
Ami
The only
Agnik.
question is why should the government fall into a media trap? and all?
Ami Agnik, Ami Agnik,
but-
Yes.
Ami Agnik, everyone has one
Whom
question
are you
for
demanding it for?
Ami Agnik and
Whom are you
TSR
writing letters
TSR Subramaniam looks shocked as this
You
debate
will know,
goes on.
Mr.
I
you will
find
know, sir,
TSR
when-
Subramaniam,
when
I don't know how to
the
read your
results are
expressions, sir.
announced.
Is there
No,
something you'd like to say to both the political parties before I go to the Congress party for the closing comments? Yes, Mr. Subramaniam.
I again go back to the point again. Here, this is a matter purely of discretion. It's a prerogative of the government of the day, the Prime Minister of the day. I have not personally been happy about a number of decisions taken earlier in the last 60 years, but I accept it with full grace, full honor. This is not a matter of debate. Nobody should
Yes.
honor conferred. We should now wait and see. You may form your opinion about the people who are conferred the honor. I don't even know if the honors are being conferred or not. If they are, wait, and if you don't like it, lump it. If you like it, applaud it. I think we should leave it there.
No, we don't leave it there because there's no Bharat Ratna for Bhagat Singh, who stood up to the empire to avenge the murder of Lala Lajpat Rai, went on to become a revolutionary, inspiration for Indian youth, to take part in the freedom
Why not
movement.
we debate?
And let me tell you, the Congress party
No,
did
Mr.
not.
Subramaniam,
The
why
Congress.
not we debate now?
By the way, the Bharat Ratna is not a largesse of a political party. The BJP and the Congress both ought to realize that. But I want to end by once again asking the Congress party, do you want to apologize for the many faults? You've been in power for the longest time. If somebody has, by virtue of politicizing, giving themselves the Bharat Ratna, giving undeserving people the Bharat Ratna, or giving political retainers the Bharat Ratna, lowered the level of the Bharat Ratna, and also insulted so many other people who are more deserving of it, it is only and only and only Ami Agnik, the Congress party. I began with you, I close with you. Maybe an apology won't hurt.
Arnav,
For what you've done.
the
No,
Congress
maybe an
party
apology
has
won't hurt.
given the utmost. No, The question is not of apology. The Congress party has always believed in giving reverence to all the heroes, whether unsung or sung, or
Did
all
you?
the Bharat Ratnas who have made this nation. So by just pinpointing and forgetting that there were 2 suspended areas during the last 60 years, there were several PILs and a finality by the Honorable Apex Court. Let me tell you that today, by springing up all these names, we have belittled the people who have been given these names today, and say speculation that these people ought to have been given or ought not to have been given, why they are given, and by giving a political color. I think today by this debate we have just lowered the esteem of the Bharat Ratna awards, and we should not be doing this, Arnav.
I want to know, Miss Ami Yagnik, I want to know why Gulzari Lal Nanda was awarded a Bharat Ratna in 1977, 13 years before Ambedkar. Simply tell me.
Again,
Just
I would
give me an
reiterate,
answer.
the panelists have said that it is the prerogative of the Honorable Prime Minister to recommend it to the President, and the prerogative and the discretion of the government at
Or
that
is it
time.
because,
We
or is
cannot
it
sit
because in your view,
and
and
we
let me be
cannot
more
have
direct,
these kind of
is it because
threadbare arguments on
of the
decisions
historical
that are
view?
taken
And why have you not
by
given
the
Netaji the
Honorable
Bharat
Prime Minister
Ratna?
at that
Why have
time?
you not given Netaji the Bharat Ratna? Is it because of your perceived view that Netaji was against Jawaharlal Nehru? And that Nehruvian bias came into your judgment of Netaji's contribution to this country. Don't hide behind the court
judgment.
judgment.
Arguments for Bharat Ratna honor, which is the highest civilian award.
Is it
Please
because?
do not bring these kind of discussions.
Why should I not? I speak
These
the
are
truth.
prerogatives of the Prime Minister.
Did Nehru get along with
Please do not
Netaji?
lower the dignity
Did
of the
Nehru
Bharat
get along with
Ratna honor.
Netaji? Should we
Please.
hide these facts? Did Nehru get along with Netaji? Or did Nehru see Netaji as an adversary in the Congress party? Please tell me tonight. And should Netaji, should that affect your judgment of Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose's contribution to this country?
The present list which you don't have, as
that was
Netaji
was given,
you are
and
discussing
that
the
was
present
withdrawn.
list which
When
you
it
don't
was
have.
much later,
And so let us
much
discuss
after
that.
Gulzari Lal Nanda.
On family's request, they are withdrawn.
Well, I think we've got some essential flaws on both sides tonight. I just hope, ladies and gentlemen, wherever you're watching this debate, it's food for thought. The next time you see the Bharat Ratna getting politicized or someone daring to do that, it's time for you to speak up. Thank you for joining me on debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.